Hi everyone, today we are on Module 5 of Level E of VMath, Operations on Fractions and Relationship to Decimals. We are on Lesson 10, so turn to page 39 so you can follow along and take notes. So adding fractions with like denominators. So if we look here, this is some review on the getting started part. 3/6 equals, and we need to simplify. So if we think about 3 and 6, what goes into both of those? Well, they both can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 3/6 is the same as 1/2. And notice again, anytime you do something to the top, if you divide the numerator by 3, you have to divide the denominator by 3. It has to be the same number. Here we have 4/12. If we think of 4 and 12, we think, oh, 4 goes into both. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so 4/12 is the same as 1/3. Here we have 1/5 plus 2/5. 1 is the purple and then 2 is in green. So if we count them all up, we get 1, 2, 3 fifths. And remember, the denominator stays the same because all three of these pieces are 1/5 size, so that's why we say 3/5. So here we have 2/8 plus 2/8. Well, 2/8 plus 2/8 is 4/8. But then we can simplify because 4 goes into both of those. So we can divide top and bottom by 4 and we get 1/2. So 4/8 is the same as 1/2. Here it says we are going to use the number line to find the sum of 4/6 and 1/6. Well, if we use a number line, we're going to count up by 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1 point here already. And then we're going to add one more 6. So our total is 5/6. So 4/6 plus 1/6 equals 5/6. And then it says here, find each sum and simplify if possible. So simplify means making it into the smallest numbers possible by dividing. So 2/4 plus 1/4, we add the numerators and the denominator stays the same because the denominator is like, it is common, it is the same. Here we have 4/9 plus 2/9. We get 6/9, but then it's giving us a hint. We can simplify. 3 goes into 6 and 9, so 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 6/9 is the same as 2/3. Here we have 3/10 plus 7/10. Well, 3 plus 7 is 10 over 10. And remember, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 1 whole. All right, when you are adding fractions with like denominators, using symbols, 1/9 plus 2/9 equals. So you're going to add the numerators. Okay, like denominators means the denominators are the same. So you get to add the numerators. Then it says you can keep the like denominator the same. Since it is the same, it just stays there. And then simplify if possible. So they simplified 3/9 is the same as 1/3. All right, on your own, you're going to complete page 41. Make sure to show your work and simplify if possible. Good luck.